Okay, I've made the changes I think you wanted. Moving the refrigerator over here. Certainly you can swap these cabinets and or refrigerator around. That doesn't affect the parts that I would order. And I made this cabinet 12 inches wider. It was 24, now it's 36. These cabinets over here, the top of the cabinet is 96 from the floor, where these cabinets here are 90 inches, I believe. Double check that. Yep. 33 by 90 by 24, 90 inches high. Crown molding goes all the way around here, wraps around this area, of course wraps around here. Everything else in the design has stayed the same. So I've made changes to this cabinet and to this area. The cost of the cabinetry, if it stays as it is, the way the parts and pieces are, it's right here. Double pull-out trash. Mantra does not have a panel that they don't do custom panels, so I'd have to order it from a different company. Which the only issue would be the finish, how the color would be. I can certainly order the panel unfinished, and then you can paint it to match the color of the Omni, but it would be a better finish if the cabinet company painted it. So the only issue would be, because it's coming from another company, will the colors match? And then if you wanted job site delivery, that can be arranged. This pricing does not include the countertop, which I can price out for you. The only other change you might want to consider is to give your switches a little bit more room. There's 3 1/4 inches of spaces according to your measurements before you hit this door trim. So I could shorten the width of this cabinet and this cabinet here to give you more like 6 inches instead of 3 1/4. Well, let me know if you have questions or if you'd like to meet.